This Blue Heaven Work Free Eyebrow Definer. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, my name is Payal. I make beauty related content here on YouTube. So if that is something that interests you, please continue watching and also hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification as well so that you get notified every time I upload. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so few days back I have made one video for the Nykaa sale recommendation. I've also applied the products that I've recommended in that video on my face so that you guys can see how it looks like in person. Now today's video will also be a recommendation one, but this time it's 3 products that are under rupees 250. So if you want to know which are those products, then continue watching. Alright, first up we have a brow product. This is the Blue Heaven Walk Free Eyebrow Definer. It's water resistant. I'll show you how it looks like. So you get this kind of applicator. I don't know whether you can see it or not. So I'm just going to swatch it for you guys to understand how the shade looks like. It's a good shade, you know. It's not supremely pigmented. It's a decent pigmentation that you get. So you are going to get this for around I will just check the price and I'll let you guys know. This brow pencil costs you 80 rupees. It's the MRP, and in sale in Nykaa you are definitely going to get it at a more cheaper price. So don't forget to check this as you're not going to regret your purchase. The next product that I have is again from Blue Heaven. It's their 2x Intense Kajal, but I have the green version of it. It also has the black one. These are really good, guys. Like, you also get a sharpener with this. Now the price of it is 125. What do you expect in 125? You are getting a green shade, or maybe you can go for the black one, and also you're getting a sharpener to make the tip a pointed one. So if you're looking for some good kajal, definitely go for this one. I will swatch it for you guys. Can you see the pigmentation? Like, oh my god, it's supremely pigmented. It's creamy. It's like butter. You know, when I was swatching it, it was really good. So definitely you can check this kajal one out. You can go for the green one or you can go for the black one as per your choice. The final product of this video is this Swiss Beauty Liquid Illuminator. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It's a very beautiful packaging, guys, and I'll show you how the actual product looks like as well. So this is how the actual product looks like. It's illuminator is something which you can apply with your foundation. Like, you can mix it with your foundation to get that natural glow on your face, or you can just use it as it is on the high points of your face, or maybe, you know, all over your face just before applying the foundation, whatever suits you. So I'll just take it in my hand and I'll show you guys how much good it is. So yeah, can you see this? Like, what else do we need, you know? I'll check the price as well. Okay, where do we have the price? It's for rupees 249. This is the MRP, guys. Like, all the prices that I'm telling to you is in MRP, and in this Nykaa sale you're definitely going to get it at some discounted price. So don't forget to check that out. This is how the highlighter looks like. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but it's a very beautiful illuminator. I thoroughly love using this. Guys, so that's it for today's video. All the products that I've mentioned in today's video will be linked down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And yeah, with this I've come to an end. I will be wrapping this video up. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay at home, sanitize your hands, and that's it. Love you all. Bye bye.